What's up, YouTube? It's officially vlog number 2. Just gonna update y'all on the Colt real quick. I have a gasket set coming for the balance shaft seal. That's what's leaking in the front. It's pretty bad. You raise the RPMs up, it just pours out of that seal. So I have that ordered up. During lunch today, I'm gonna go get a throttle cable so I can hook that up. And then all I got left is the brake lines, and then I can officially get it on the road, see if I need to fix anything else that we got, any other problems that come up, and then should be it. If everything goes well, I'll be driving her sometime this week, if not next week. So stay tuned for that. I'll keep y'all updated. I'm gonna have to route the battery cables and do all that. Just gotta get that on a lift. Right now we got a couple projects going on here in the shop. So if y'all want to see some of those, I might post some videos on that. Just let me know. Comment down below and let me know what y'all want to see. All right, guys. So I wasn't quite able to make it to the hot rod shop tonight. Day kind of flew by me. So had some things I had to finish up during lunch for work. So I wasn't quite able to make it. But I'm at least do the battery cable, run to the back to the battery relocate, and do all that tonight. So at least I have some kind of footage for you. So let's get to it. Okay, so just so you can see what I'm doing. So Dodge and Mitsubishi actually made this pretty easy. There's a little spot for the vent tube that comes up through the trunk that runs straight down. So that's pretty much where I'm putting it. Putting the battery right here in this area. And then for underneath, they have these little clips that the gas line and evap line run through, and the brake line also. They have these little clips that make it super easy to do this relocation, and it runs all the way to the front. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just tying it in with these brake lines and this fuel line right here, and then rolling it all the way up. That's where that little spot comes out, right there. And that's it, boys. We're good. All right, got it all finished up. Let me show you what we got going on. So like I said earlier, I got it run through the little hole right here that's for the evap. Got it grounded right here by this bump stop for now. A bolt's there, so if there's already a bolt, might as well just tie it in right there. But a nylon tie, I'm gonna cut these, obviously, so that I don't leave them access like that. But yeah, got it run all the way down, all the way over here, up to the starter. Got it run all the way to the front. Ever right here, still need to put a lug on there. I thought I had lugs, guess not, so I have to go get that tomorrow also. Well, yeah, so she's run, just gotta hook her up, and then gotta get a battery tray for the back. Just got the battery set in there for right now. Still have to put the ends on there. But other than that, battery relocated, so job is done for the day. Alright, that about wraps up for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Once again, if you like what you see, want to see more, hit the subscribe, and I'll try to post more often. There's still a lot to do on this little green thing. I just gotta get parts, so yeah, hopefully tomorrow, like I said, I'll go during lunch, try to get away, get the throttle cable, and I still need to get the brake lines, and so there's still a lot to do, like I said, but coming along slowly, surely. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a good night.